Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change time on Garmin Extend 2X Solar. Okay, so to do this you need to press the menu up button for about 2 seconds to enter to the menu, and you can go down to the system settings, or here's a pro tip: if you go up, you're going to be all the way down on the system settings. To accept, press the GPS button, and now we are going to look for the time, go in. Now we can change time format. We are going to change it for 12 hour, the date format, and as you can see, for now I have the auto set time option, and I can change it for the manual option. And now here is the time option that I can choose and set the hour to whatever I want it to be. That's it. As you can see, it worked. So if it helped for you, please hit subscribe and like. Bye.